Hi, hello everyone. Myself Bindu. I'm studying first year BCA. My college name is Interface College of Computer Application. So I will explain the today topics are computer memory and its types. Computer memory. A computer memory is like a human brain. What about thinking the human brain? Just like think of computer memory is also think a human brain. It is also used to store and instruction. We are stored data and instruction is also in a computer memory. A computer memory is the storage space of the computer where is to be processed and instructions required for processing are stored. Where we want to store the data, it will be processed to instruction required processing storage. Where we want to store the data, so we will store the data and instruction, etc. The memory is divided into large number of small parts called cells. We are memory divided into the large number and more numbers. So it will be some parts. Then small parts is called cells. The address of this location varies from the 0 to 65,535. For example, a memory has have a 64K keywords. Next, we will go through the three types of memories. The first one is cache memory and primary memory, that is called also main memory, and third one is secondary memory. Next, we will see the cache memory. Cache memory is very Cache memory is a very high-speed semiconductor memory which can speed up the CPU. A cache memory is a very high-speed memory that's made in semiconductor memory. It can be speed up also. CPU also it can be speed up, and it acts as buffering between the CPU and the main memory. Main memory it means a primary memory. It will be buffering to the CPU and primary memory. It is used to hold those parts of data and program which are the most frequently used by the CPU. It is holds to the data and instruction, etc. It is the most frequently used to the CPU. Next, we will see the advantages of cache memory are as follows. Cache memory is faster than main memory. Cache memory is faster than primary memory. It is cache memory to compare the primary memory. The cache memory is most faster than the primary memory. It consumes less access time as compared to main memory. Less time compared to the primary memory. It is consumes a less time. We want to give the any work that will be finished that less time. It stores the program that can be executed within short period of time. It stores the data for temporary use. It will be executed within short period then compared to primary memory. It stores for a data temporarily only. When we will work on a computer, it only stores that time, particular time in data. Then we are turn off the computer, it will be erased. Next, we want to see the disadvantages of cache memory. A cache memory is a limited capacity. So there is no more space on store the data or information. It will has a limited store capacity. It it is a very expensive. The cache memory is very expensive. Next we will see the Primary memory. We are already told about primary memory or main memory. Both are same. A primary memory holds only those data instruction on which computer is currently working. We are giving some instruction or data only when the computer is run, then only the primary memory is holds the data. It has a limited capacity and data is lost when a power is switched off. Is generally made up a semiconductor device. It is a limited capacity, or when we are power of the computer, the data can be erased. It is generally made up in a the made up is semiconductor devices. It divided into the two subcategories. One is RAM, another one is ROM. Next, we will see characteristics of main memory. These are semiconductor memories. These memories made by a semiconductor. It is known as the main memory. It is also called primary memory or main memory. Usually, it is volatile memory. Data is lost in a case power is switched off. When we are switched off the power, the data can be erased. It is also faster than the secondary memory. We want next explaining the secondary memory. So the computer cannot be run without a primary memory. Next we will see the secondary memory. This type of memory is also known as external memory or non-volatile. It is slower than main memory or primary memory. This is a it is memory is also known as external memory or non-volatile memory. The primary memory is volatile memory. The secondary memory is non-volatile memory. It is compared to the primary memory. It is slower than to primary memory. These are used to storing a data or information permanently. CPU directly does not access these memories. Instead, they are accessed via input-output returns. It means this secondary memory used to where permanently store the data or information. It is directly does not access into the CPU or hardware. It is instead they access the input or output returns. Next, characteristics of secondary memory. The secondary memory is transferred to the first transfer the main memory and then CPU to access, for example, CD, ROM, and DVD, etc. Then the characteristics of secondary memories. These are magnetic and optical memories. These are made up by the secondary memories, magnetic and optical memories. It is as know about the backup memory, and it is a non-volatile memory. Primary memory is volatile and this memory is non-volatile. Data is permanently stored even the power off or switched off. Then the primary memory, when we switched off the computer, the memory can be data can be erased. In the secondary memory, we are switched off or power off the data. The data cannot be erased, and it can be stored data in a computer permanently, slower than compared to primary memory. The secondary memory is slower than. Next, we want to examples of a computer. This like a pictures are CD or pen drive and etc. Thank you all.